So, Woody, you like our place? That's amazing, Ish. I love your place of Mexico. So, you need to return your home. I like your home. Tommy, friends, let's go home. Not so fast going to home. Who are you? My name is Nate. No, again. Is that human? Let's get us. Oh no, this is not right. But now I get this more power of my robots. This is not good. Really? You need super speed or power up to defenses spaghetti blue. I mean, don't worry guys, I know exactly what to do. I was not expecting this. Bro, this one's nonsense. So this account. Pew pew pew. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. What? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, okay. Ow. Oh, gotcha. Oh, come on, Woody. Teleport activated. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. Huh?
Can I give you one genius piece of advice?
No, don't make me laugh, Woody. Crazy bird. Now it's time to do. You know?
Let's get fast.
You're going crazies? Come on, let's get the crazies. Oh, I will catch you, kid. Okay, get more power up. Yes, sir. Oh. Come on, come on. Let's get out of here. Oh.
That was an illegal left, by the way.
This is super fast, that bird.
So, here we are again. We've been through so much together. Now you understand why there's a psychotic robot doctor chasing us.
So, we meet again. Now, those villains are going to kill me and my best friends. So, I decide to escape now again. Let's continue this. Oh, yeah, amazing. Whoa.
How is this possible? No one's ever caught up to me before.
This is impossible. I need to get out of here now. Coming through. Excuse some more of those. Oh, let's try the word.
Here we go.
Oh, I hate words. I like Mexico. I can't. Whoa, 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 whoa. I can't lose those boys. Beat him. Line them. Come on, what are you doing so fast? What? That bird's so fast. I can't see the bird. Where is it, boss? There he is. Let's get that bird. Let's kill, defeat, and dead the bird. You're dead, bird. Come on, teleport to Mexico, please. Any last words, Woody Woodpecker? What? Girl. So, I don't know how to tell you, Bird, but now, you're going to be eliminated, Bird. Go my way, boys. What? Ah! Who the hell do you are, kid? Oh, I'm Guish Guillermo Alonso, you little... Oh!
Autopilot, adjust. Why? Why would you throw your life away for this thing?
Think, Bird,
His name is Sonic.
is not my...
This was his
This is
home.
not an alien. This is my
He
friend.
was my friend.